I done gave him a credit card. Thank you so much for joining me in my pantry makeover. This pantry was stressing me out, so I fixed it. From chaos to calm, pantry makeover. I didn't realize how bad this pantry was. It made me not want to even be in the kitchen, but it was so worth it, this transformation. So I'm hoping that it inspired someone else